Hoffman, Jared Rosenberg. Introducing the bench coaches, Brad Wabra, John Taylor, Derek Henry, Rob Fagan, and Abdil Aros Amina. And now let's meet the starting lineup for the Road Dogs. Batting first and playing left center field, number 32, Tally Brinson. Batting second is the pitcher wearing number 19, Kevin Jonas II. Batting third and playing third, number 2, Nick Jonas. Batting fourth, the designated hitter, number 3, Mike Meehan. Batting fifth, the shortstop, number 10, Phil McIntyre. Batting sixth, the right center fielder, number 22, Johnny Mack. Batting seventh, the catcher, number 35, Anthony Marino. Batting eighth, the left fielder, number 24, Jason Ganter. Batting ninth, the right fielder, number 1, Joe. Batting 10th, the second baseman, number 7, Matt Petroff. And batting 11th for the Road Dogs, the right fielder, number 77, Jimmy Arriaga. And let's not leave out the bat boy for the Road Dogs. Let's hear it for Frankie Jones.